In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage traffic to your website by blocking specific countries using Hostinger's dashboard. This tutorial is designed to help you gain more control over where your website visitors are coming from and ensure that your content is accessible only to the regions you intend it to be. Whether you're looking to optimize website performance or secure your digital space, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Starting off, let's head to your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your websites currently hosted. Locate the website you wish to manage. Next to its name, you'll notice an arrow. Click on that. This will expand the settings related to your selected website, revealing various configuration options. This area is essentially the control hub for your website's operations and functionalities, so getting familiar with it will serve you well in the long run. Once the settings are opened, direct your attention to the CDN settings. The Content Delivery Network, or CDN, is crucial in how your website manages and distributes content efficiently across different geographical locations. It helps ensure speed and accessibility, but it also gives you the power to control traffic sources. Within the CDN settings, you'll find a section labeled Traffic Blocking. Click on this to reveal additional options that will enable you to manage access from different countries. Now, you'll see an option that says Block Country or Add Country Block. These are the tools you will use to dictate the regions that can and cannot access your website. At this stage, you'll see a list of countries presented to you. This is where you decide which countries you want to restrict from viewing your content. Carefully make your selections based on your requirements or strategic needs. Whether you're blocking regions due to regulatory reasons or simply for focusing your business efforts elsewhere, this list allows for precise control. After selecting the countries, double-check your choices to ensure accuracy. It's essential that you've got everything aligned to your preference. Then simply click the block button. This final step will save all changes and put the new restrictions in place immediately. With this, your website will effectively limit traffic based on geographic location, ensuring it runs precisely how you want. That wraps it up for today's tutorial. You've now successfully configured your website with country-specific traffic blocks, giving you newfound control and security. Keep this process in mind whenever you need to adjust access terms as your audience evolves or business needs change. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or tips, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.